Some resume tips are timeless, but not all of them. And here is my 8 top resume tips for 2023 and beyond. The rapid pace of change in the job market is resulting in a faster turnover of resume trends. But if you apply these elements into your resume immediately, you will be way ahead than most people who may find out about them gradually through their own experience or by listening to resume experts on social media. Number 1, optimize your resume with the keywords from the job description. Number 2, don't forget to save copies of your resumes and use them according to the job that you're applying for. This will save you time in tweaking your resumes. Third, stick to a classic resume format. Remember that the ATS does not digest images, panels, boxes, and fonts of different types. 4, integrate your skills into your resume, but try to keep your hard and soft skills separately. 5, focus on mentioning your hard skills aligned to the job requirements. Number 6, quantify your achievements in figures, as in numbers and percentage. 7, keep it brief. Things like physical home address and references are not required anymore unless specifically asked for. And the last tip might mean no more business for me, but I will still give it to you. Use the latest AI tools available to upgrade your resume and for your job search. If you need help on how to adopt any of these points, head over to my YouTube channel and leave me your question for a complete answer and explanation. Thank you.